All right, guys, everyone's getting their cars. About to go to the meet. Stopping at Sheetz, Ephrata. About to go to the abandoned Toys R Us. Hopefully it's not closed. Apparently there's a gate there, and people have said in the past it's been closed, and I had a guy recently check it out and he said it was open. So hopefully it doesn't get shut down. Alright, boys. Toys R Us. We're gonna have to. So far, decent turnout. Hopefully there should be more people pulling up.
Yo, Alex just called a fat gap. You know how it is.
Oh.
That looks like fun.
LS what?
Probably a nose 2. Not a 3. I don't know. That's a 2. It's got aluminum heads.
You know how you waved to me and then I went.
Fucking around.
I was like, you guys got it? Whatever. Your bad tire's flat. Is it? Yeah.
Oh,
it's like mad flat.
Yeah. Bro, be very careful.
He's still at school.
How do you not tell?
I want one of those so bad.
I will. Nice, bro. Nice. Right.
I heard the truck just spent 3,000. But, and if you get it solved for the free
So fast.
Still runs off my drum. No launching here. I never actually
Should we try and break in, Harry?
Huh?
Let's go in. Let's go, guys.
717 tuners car meet gone wrong in the hood, gone sexual.
I don't know. I think I want to make it.
Isn't that crazy though? This car is probably worth as much as that. What it is? It's manual, dude. This
Is it Karen?
I mean, with JR?
Yeah.
He gets walk.
I just think it's someone who can't. This just looks like Tracy, someone who
Of
can't.
course, guys, you can't forget about the truck gang. We got the squad. Obviously, Harry's car owns the Volkswagen Stance boys. We got Noah, Alex's Evo. We got JR. Of course, we got the bike gang and truck gang.
Yeah, dude. Maybe one day I'll get those other 2 wheels.
Of course, you can't forget about the Miata gang. There's Jaden's car. Still has that bumper off. Wow. Who knew some Mark 5 Supers would pull up? Huh? Who knew? Alright.
Oh, that's not her car. I'm sorry to say it, but that's just not her car. That's her husband's.
Hey, you never know.
I whipped the Yukon XLT and no box. Your car.
Oh, you took Conrad for a ride?
Quick thank you to you guys.
Absolutely, for coming out.
I legit just I posted like one thing on Facebook. I made a post on Instagram.
And we really appreciate, like, our meets have never been like too rowdy, and we appreciate that because they always get shut down, and with COVID and everything, they don't happen often anymore. So this is a great turnout.
What's up, Ethan?
Runs 9.8. 9.8 at Emmys.
Zach Boyer?
He's in there.
I don't know. I know 90% of them. I guess.
Static?
We need to find that. That's the one everybody wants. What's that shitty ass Jeep pulling up for? Hey, fuck your Honda!
Yo, bro, you gotta drop the top.
Yo, I gotta buy a motor. It just fucking broke one.
Harrison.
Uzi.
What car? What do you want?
High five.
Somebody wrote something on the back. Okay.
Seems real tough. Pretty clean. Of course, you can't forget about the truck gang. EE. So I've never seen Elvin's trunk setup. Here it is. And this is Harry's trunk setup. And that's a big rip. What happened, bud? Snow?
Snow.
Happens. Oh yeah. We got the big boys leaving. I'm sorry guys, but I'm an absolute sucker for Beamers. Especially if it's an M4. Pretty much Burke Street cars are like these insane high performance cars.
Well, I guess he's going to work. Come to like get on it or something.
Well, holy shit. What was, that was the Mark V, I think.
Bringing the sperm into a car meet.
This is clean. This thing is clean.
That's a homemade manifold.
This thing is dope. What happened to it? Wow, Toyota really fell off. Well, Alex, you wanna go talk to him? I mean, no one has like done anything wrong, but everyone's scared. So we're gonna see if we can try talking to him real quick.
About easiest is about, you know, it's one thing if you guys have a mission, we have no problem with it. We're not causing any problems. Is there any
Oh boys, about to get a little rowdy here. Everyone's, the backup spot is Park City Diner. So we're gonna go there because this cop, I mean, the cop is chill. He just said to respect it. Park City Diner. Nice. Oh, nice, bro. Hey guys. Well, and the thing is, there's only one entrance here.
I'm very disappointed in.
There's no I in we.
There's no what?
There's no I in we. Obviously, you got the bike squad. These two Johns. These two Johns are nice.
well, not just that.
We have a good Nissan squad. Same wheels Alex got for the Evo. That's sick. cannot control themselves. Cop got someone, I guess. Someone did something. Tards, bruh. Tards. Someone just did a burnout. I think one of the truck guys did a burnout. Well. Oh yeah, I smell it. We got a lot of smoke. That thing is tough. I'm not gonna lie. Briner would appreciate that one. I like that thing too a lot. Like I said, sucker for beamers. We're still back up, like, Harry's still right there, and he was just next to me, so. Briner would appreciate that too. That is something right there. That's static, boys. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys. Heading out of here now. Five-O's right here. Everyone's going to Park City Diner. Alright. Oh yeah, it's decent here. Wow. It's quite decent here today.
Bush over there?
Yeah. There's like a bike and like a car. The Park City Diner. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna head out. Thanks to everyone who came out. A lot bigger than I expected it to be honest. Huge meat. Way bigger than I expected for something like small to throw. Next time we have one of these, if you guys are watching this, try to keep them a little more chill. I mean, I don't really mind all the sends and buck wild stuff, but try to make it a little better so we don't get kicked out, but it's all good. Next meal, we'll choose a better spot that won't get too rowdy.
Trump and my pasta, Jamaican dun dun dun, hang round the shotters. Man, next nigga, yeah, hang with the killer,